we have a few clear days in our forecast, so now's a good time to take care of some maintenance around your home. And this morning we are focusing on issues from above. Let me scoot over here. Jonathan Skinner joins us now live in Trustful with more. Hey, Jonathan.
Hey, Claire, what's going on? So basically, we are out here talking about bugs. It's hot outside. You might want to get out a little bit. You might, of course, you're going to be a little safe with the heat, but bugs are everywhere. So you're trying to prevent them around your house, especially. We're talking to Alex Howard, the service center manager here at Stark Exterminators. We're out in Trustful right now. Alex, thank you for joining us. For people who might not know, we might not think about gutters around the house as, being a place where bugs can live, but that's not true. Tell us a little bit about why.
Yeah, absolutely. So when we're around homes, we actually have gutters up here, and with gutters you have some issues to homeowners as well as sometimes to their pocketbooks. And so when we have gutter issues, as water and debris can back up into the fascia boards, it can create rot and decay and actually have some weakening on the gutters. But as far as your insects and your pests, you can have harborage areas and breeding areas and all that, as well, too. So here at this property here, if you look down here, one thing during a inspection that we would look for is kind of overhanging limbs in the gutter lines, as well as any overhanging limbs that may approach the structure as well to create any insect issues. You can also get rodent activity in the home as well, and rats as well.
So what's a good way to prevent stuff like that from happening and building up in your gutters? Is to call out a service person to come out and check that out, at least once or twice a year? How should people approach it? Yeah,
absolutely. I mean, there's some self-management that we can look for when we're out on our properties and we're taking care of our lawns and we're taking care of our shrubs. Just look up a little bit and see if you're seeing any issues up there. But definitely get a professional out at least once a year just to check those gutters and to see if there's any debris in there. And then I highly suggest getting some kind of leaf or gutter protection on top of that, just to make sure that we alleviate any damage and pest issues that could arise.
So we're mentioning, of course, with gutters, and we put a full screen up of just some extra tips that people can know and learn about as far as preventing bugs and pests from getting in there. Generally speaking, what are some good tips overall to prevent pests and bugs from getting inside of your home? Yeah,
absolutely. So, I mean, just some integrated pest management, to be honest with you. There's a lot of companies out there, and including us with Stark Exterminators. We actually use approach. It's called STEPS. It's sustainability through environmental practices and solutions. And so have a professional go out there, someone that's environmentally safe and it's going to create a solution that's going to rid these bugs for the future and for your health.
Excellent, excellent. I know people do not want to deal with bugs. I don't like them as well. So we appreciate what you all do at Stark. All right, thank you, man. So all right, well, reporting from Trustville, Jonathan Skinner, WBRC Fox 6 News on your side. We'll have more on Good Day Extra after the break.
I'm a winner. I ain't never been